Long before humans built houses, long before cities, roads, and stories existed, there was another creation living silently alongside us. They are called jinn. Jinn are beings mentioned in Islamic belief and ancient folklore. They are not humans, they are not angels. According to belief, humans were created from earth, angels were created from light, and jinn were created from smokeless fire. It does not mean fire like candles or flames. It means a form of invisible energy, something humans cannot normally see. Let's talk about why they are called jinn. The word jinn comes from the Arabic word jannah, means hidden or unseen. They live in a parallel world right beside ours, but hidden. According to belief, jinn prefer places where humans rarely go, like desert, forests, mountains, abandoned houses, ruins, silent and lonely places. Just like humans, jinn are believed to eat and drink, have families, live and die, and most importantly, they have free will. Because jinn have free will, some choose good, some evil, some remain neutral. Many people think all jinn are evil, but that is not true. Just like humans, some humans believe in God, some do not. Similarly, some jinn are believers. They are called believing jinn. Believing jinn believe in God, follow moral rules, live peacefully, avoid humans. They are not ghosts, they are not demons, they are not spirits that possess people. They are simply another creation who chose belief, just like believing humans. Believing jinn are rarely mentioned in horror stories because they do not harm humans. Now, let's talk about dangerous jinn. Welcome to Ghost of the Globe. Jinn, the wild ones. Jinn are believed to be among the oldest jinn. They are wild, primitive, closely connected to nature. They are often described as shapeshifters, appearing as snakes, dogs, animals in deserts. They usually do not harm humans unless disturbed. Fifth is Ghoul, the deceiver. Ghouls are trickster jinn. They do not attack directly. Instead, they deceive. They are believed to appear as lost travelers, take human or animal forms, trick people into living safe paths, often associated with graveyards, highways, and lonely roads. Now comes Kareen. A Kareen whispers negative thoughts, encourages wrong decisions. Kareen cannot control. It can only suggest. Strong morals and self control are believed to weaken its influence. Shaitan, the evil jinn. Shaitan are jinn who choose evil. They spread negativity, mislead humans, encourage harmful actions. They cannot force humans, only influence thought. Iblis is believed to be from this category. Ifrit. Ifrit are among the most violent jinn. They are known for immense strength, extreme anger, intelligence mixed with arrogance, often described in stories of revenge, fire, punishment. Now comes the most dangerous, Marid. Marid are considered the most powerful jinn. They are associated with oceans, seas, vast waters. They are extremely proud, highly intelligent, very difficult to control. Stories often show them granting wishes, but always with hidden consequences. The world of jinn is not black and white. Just like humans, some chose peace, some chose darkness, some chose power. Understanding this helps us separate belief from fear. The unseen world exists, not to scare us, but to remind us that not everything real is visible. If you want to know about any of them in details, do let me know in the comments below.